in Bharat Mandapam. According to Delhi police, 4 to 5 people have been detained. They're checking whether they had a valid entry pass. Did they pose as visitors at Bharat Mandapam? Did they have a QR code? What were their credentials before they entered the venue at all? That's something that is now going to be investigated. We're trying to ascertain more details of what exactly has transpired, but what we're learning via our sources in Delhi police is that an FIR is going to be filed shortly. Delhi police is investigating on the credentials of who these individuals are, how they managed to enter the venue at all. There is a valid pass that everyone needs to have, be it a visitor or a delegate. There is a particular QR code that needs to be scanned for your entry into the venue. How is it that these individuals had that pass? Did they have it at all in the first place or not? Was there a QR code that they used to access the venue, enter the venue in the first place? All of that is being ascertained, even as the Delhi police has confirmed that at least 4 to 5 such individuals who were part of that protest are now under detention. Remember, the Youth Congress had come out and justified what had transpired. They saw nothing wrong in such a protest, going on to say that questions have to be asked of the government. And what better a place to ask those questions than where the whole world is watching. Anvit, my colleague, now joins us, getting us more details. Anvit, what is the line of interrogation, questioning that the Delhi police is going to be looking at with these people that have been detained?
See, police have detained them and then trying to find out that what their antecedents are and then which outfits are they created to, other than if not just Congress. So they're trying to identify that if there is any backing of any other group that could be possible, and they're also trying to identify that what was the reason for that act that has been done and the footages that are now being circulated on social media. Police are at the same time are also trying to find out that who led the group at the spot, at the venue, and what was the intent of this. So whether it was solely political or there could be any other motive behind it, that is being identified. Also, all the people who have been identified, their detailed verification is under process. It is being identified as to who are they, what is their profile, whether they are students, whether they are individuals who had joined the group, or what was the reason for them to join the group. So all of this is being looked into. At the same time, the investigation goes further. It will also be looked into as there could be any other motive of this entire act that was done, other than political or other than. So that is also one thing. The larger picture will also be looked into once it is established that there are people who are just affiliated with politically, but there could also be any other motive. So financial motives will also be looked into, but that is a bigger picture that will come in only once it is confirmed that their motive was also other than political. But currently, only their antecedents are being verified. It is also being looked into whether there is any other group involved behind this entire act.
Will an FIR be registered against these people who have been detained? Is that the course that this action will take, Anvit?
See, their details are being noted down. All the possible details are being written down. Their antecedents are being checked. Their documents are being verified. Once their identities are verified and it is certain that the people who have been identified belong to certain group and these are their antecedents, only then police will go ahead with, if required, filing an FIR, and that decision will be taken following basic and preliminary investigation that is currently underway.
Right, so those credentials are being looked into. The police is probing who these individuals are, if there was a larger motive behind this. But does this also raise questions about how exactly they managed to get past security to a point where even if it was briefed that this protest was held in the first place?
Certainly, senior officials have spoken to, they have confirmed that they are looking into what layer of security.
We'll try and reconnect that line with my colleague Anvit, who was getting us more details of what exactly is transpiring. So far, about 4 to 5 people have been detained is what we're given to understand. Whether an FIR is filed against them or not, that's something that we have to wait and watch out for. But the political fireworks on this Congress versus BJP fight has already begun. The BJP has accused the Congress of shaming India during a global event like this AI Impact Summit. The Congress, meanwhile, finds nothing wrong in this particular protest.